What's inside the mystery box? Shake it, what could it be? Open it up, come take a peek. A squishy surprise for you and me. Look, a dumpling soft and round. Squish it down, it pops back up. Tiny cheeks and a happy face. Squeeze, 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 what silly fun. Peachy, squishy, pink and sweet. Little paw pads, soft and neat. Press them slowly, 1, 2, 3. Which one will it be for me? Squish, squish, squishy, squeeze it nice and slow. Squish, squish, squishy, watch it grow, grow, grow. Mystery box, what's inside? Another surprise is waiting to hide. Squish, squish, squishy, come and play with me. Jelly cube is shiny, bright. Wiggle wobble, what a sight. Strawberry and little cheese. Pick your favorite if you please. Mimi finds a dumpling friend. Momo picks a squishy paw. Coco finds a jelly blue. Bobo gets a peach, 1, 2. Squish, squish, squishy, squeeze it nice and slow. Squish, squish, squishy, watch it grow, grow, grow. Mystery box, what's inside? Another surprise is waiting to hide. Squish, squish, squishy, come and play with me. Soft and round, big and small. Line the squishies in a row. Press them down, let them rise. Which one is your favorite surprise? Squish, squish, squishy, everybody play. Squish, squish, squishy, what a squishy day. Dumpling, pot and jelly blue. Peachy, squishy joins us too. Squish, squish, squishy, come and play today. Mystery box is empty now. Look at all the friends we found. One last squish, 1, 2, 3. Squishy fun for you and me.